It's Thanksgiving week, and today on Shareably Delicious, we're making a customary staple for a southern United States table, sweet potato casserole. If you enjoy this or any of our videos, please like and subscribe. To prep, you're going to rinse, peel, and then chop the sweet potatoes. I started with 2.5 pounds because that filled up my 9x13 pan. I also recommend using a sharp knife because these potatoes were really hard. Add the sweet potatoes to the boiling water and boil for about 15 minutes or until the potatoes are tender. Drain the water once they're boiled, pour them into a large bowl, and add 4 tablespoons of butter. Now you want to melt the butter and mash the potatoes. Some people use 2 forks, some people use a potato masher, but for me, stirring with my wooden spoon mashed them enough so that they still had some texture. I did use my potato masher to break up a few big chunks, but be careful, you don't want to mash it too much because you don't want the consistency of baby food. Now to this mixture, you're going to add half a cup of packed brown sugar, 2 large eggs, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, half a cup of milk, preferably whole, and 3/4 cup of chopped pecans for crunch in the filling. Now mix it all together until combined. See how there's still a little bit of texture in the potatoes, but it's mostly smooth. Now pour this mixture into a 9x13 baking pan and spread until smooth. Okay, now it's time to make a topping before we put it in the oven. I know some people like pecans, some people like marshmallows, some people like both, but the choice is yours. We're gonna try both just to see how it tastes. For the pecan topping, in a medium bowl, you're going to mix half a cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1/2 cup of chopped pecans. Mix until the topping mixture is all combined like this, and then pour it over your casserole. For me, this was only enough to cover half of the casserole, so if you want to do pecans across the whole thing, you'll need to double this recipe. Like I said, I wanted to try marshmallows too, so I covered the other half with marshmallows. Now bake in a 350-degree oven until the potatoes are warm through and golden brown on top, about 25 minutes. Here it is, sweet potato casserole, seen on many Thanksgiving tables. And for the record, we really like the pecan topping much better than marshmallows. Let me know what you think in the comments. What's your favorite topping?